Hey, Paul and Amy, Amy and Paul, my dear friends. Hey, girl, I miss you so much, Amy. I miss your shoulders. I miss you looking at me and then giving me the support just by the look on your eye, and telling me you're gonna be okay, girl, or I'm worried about you. Hmm. I miss that, and thank God for the sister like you. Not everyone is so blessed, and I feel so blessed to have sisters like you. Obviously, you're not the only one. I have another one. I have like three like you, so I have four sisters that care so much by the look, and they always making sure that I'm okay. And you, my friend, my dear sister, I'm so thankful to God for you. Now it is Christmas, and you guys celebrate Christmas, and I don't. And I don't. And I believe, as you know, I believe in the incarnation of Christ. I believe in His death. I believe in His resurrection, and I believe in His return soon, right? But I no Christmas for me anymore. And so what? I love you dearly, and I miss you, and I know you are celebrating somewhere in a colder place. And it's cold over here too, you say, inside of the house. It's really cold at home, so you weren't hiding, so you wouldn't be so cold, but it's still colder where you are. And pray for me, and I'm praying for you. I just want you to know that this moment where many are looking for some affirmation. I almost said it in French. Affirmation. I almost said it in French. And I'm looking for affirmation, but I just want to reaffirm that you're my sister. I think I was gonna say no. I'm a white girl and you're the black one. So we've been switching. So I'm white and you're black. So I don't know how that works, but we switched. And that's my decision. You are my black friend and I'm your white friend, and I love you. And you're my sister forever. Thank God for you. Thank God for the church who had us together where we met and worshiped. Praise God for Emmanuel. And I thank you. I'm going to sing this little song to let you know that I'm with you in spirit. And Paul, I miss you playing the drums with me. Please tap on Amy, play it, play. Tap on her, what you do, keep doing it. And we're gonna sing. Let me look for the lyrics, because the English is a little bit funny. One English, one French verses I'm gonna sing, all right? I love you. Sing along and start smiling already. I know you're crossing your legs right now. Go ahead. Your girl Carney is here. it was not that serious. So